This is Lizzie and Omar, and we are taking a pregnancy test.
Good morning.
It is the morning-ish. And we're waiting for the hourglass.
And Minnie wants the ball, of course.
Here is... Baby.
Awesome.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Look, I'm pregnant. Do you see it? Oh my god! Oh, look, this thing. Oh, it gets blurry. Holy shit! Isn't that cool? Domino's excited. Domino's excited.
He's very
Where's
excited.
Minnie?
Minnie.
Minnie, come here. Minnie is excited. What? What, puppies?